DigitalOcean or Kinsta, two cloud giants, but which is the real MVP for your website and wallet? Which one really delivers? On the left, DigitalOcean flexible cloud infrastructure for developers. On the right, Kinsta managed WordPress hosting powered by Google Cloud. Let's skip the marketing jargon and see which platform truly gives you control, speed, and support. Each category scores points, and at the finish, you'll know exactly which provider comes out ahead in 2025. The final winner might surprise you. Okay, before we start roasting and hyping each platform, let me show you the categories we're comparing today. We've got price and billing, performance, ease of use, security and reliability, support use cases, and yeah, popularity and market. So not just the typical who's cheaper, we're going deep. Alright, first up, price and billing. DigitalOcean, oh man, it's honestly hard to beat their entry-level pricing. They've got those pay-as-you-go vibes, so you're only shelling out for what you actually use. Predictable, no shock bills. But heads up, things like backups or managed services cost extra, so don't think you're getting the world for $5 a month. Plus, it's all unmanaged, so you're kinda on your own for maintenance. Now for Kinsta, it's basically the opposite. The price tag's bigger, yeah, but you're buying peace of mind, all the hosting, CDN, SSL, and even security stuff in one plan. Zero surprise fees. Just don't expect low-budget options, they're definitely playing in the premium league. So who takes this round? DigitalOcean slides in ahead with its wallet-friendly approach. Let's talk performance next. DigitalOcean's pretty flexible. You pick your VM size, location, and totally customize stuff. That's awesome, but also it means if you mess up the setup, don't blame them for slow speed, alright? Now, Kinsta steps it up if you're running WordPress. Seriously, they optimize everything: Google Cloud's premium tier network, containers that keep sites from fighting for resources, and enterprise Cloudflare with built-in CDN for that global edge caching. It's fast. Problem is this all applies if and only if you're a WordPress user. So for performance, Kinsta takes the crown, no contest if your site is on WordPress. Ease of use, okay, is DigitalOcean friendly? If you know your way around servers, their dashboard is slick and launching apps is a breeze. But if you're thinking, I don't want to touch terminal commands ever, maybe not so much. You're responsible for pretty much everything. Now, Kinsta is built for non-techies, fully managed, easy to navigate my Kinsta dashboard and all the useful WordPress extras like staging, performance monitoring, daily backups, all that. If you want hands-off hosting, you'll love this. Not for non-WordPress projects though, and if you haven't guessed it, Kinsta is the hands-down winner here. Oh, and here's a wild stat for you. Sites migrating from DigitalOcean to Kinsta averaged a 26% faster load time. I mean, that's a serious speed boost. Surprised? Moving right along to security and reliability. DigitalOcean gives you the keys. You can set up firewalls, control the network perimeter, and grab backups if you pay a bit extra. But again, it's totally on you to keep things locked down. No built-in CDN or firewall as standard, which I mean, kinda a bummer. Kinsta meanwhile has security baked right in. Free Cloudflare CDN with DDoS protection, daily backups on autopilot, and even proactive monitoring for uptime and healing if something's off with PHP. It's a stacked arsenal, though you lose some control if you want custom ultra-advanced tweaks. Overall, Kinsta wins for giving you security with zero stress. Support is next. Oh, this one's kinda brutal. DigitalOcean has your classic ticket system and tons of docs, but if your server crashes at 2 a.m., yeah, don't hold your breath for instant help unless you're on their premium services. No 24/7 live chat for their basic VMs. Flipping over to Kinsta, they're doing support right. Live chat 24/7, WordPress experts on standby, and they even migrate your site for free. People seriously rave about their customer service. Only snag, if you're not using WordPress, you won't get that special treatment. Kinsta is the clear winner, no contest here. Let's get practical use cases. So DigitalOcean's a Swiss Army knife. You can run web apps, spin up databases, launch APIs, dev environments, host websites, literally anything, any stack. If you're techie, you'll love the freedom. Downside, you do need those skills. Compare that to Kinsta, whose laser-focused, managed WordPress hosting is what they do, and they do it crazy well. Agencies, bloggers, businesses on WordPress. You won't find a smoother platform, but if you want anything else, well, look elsewhere. For versatility, DigitalOcean absolutely takes this category. Popularity and market, this one's kinda fun. DigitalOcean is everywhere, right? They're one of the biggest cloud platforms in the world. Seriously, you probably know 10 devs using them. Kinsta, on the other hand, is super respected in the WordPress crowd but way smaller on the overall cloud market scale. Niche versus mainstream. So yeah, DigitalOcean's got this edge. So, if you're visual like me, imagine all those categories on a radar chart. DigitalOcean shines on price, versatility, and market reach, while Kinsta totally dominates speed, ease of use, security, and support. It's kinda a Venn diagram with each platform playing its strongest hand. Alright, so what's the bottom line? If you want control, support any tech stack, and tweak every detail, and you know your way around servers, DigitalOcean's the one. But if you want crazy fast speeds and never want to touch tech stuff again, especially for WordPress, Kinsta will make your life way easier. So pick your vibe, seriously. Like this breakdown? Let us know which platform you're betting on, and yeah, tell me why. Was it the price, the performance, or just the support? Drop your thoughts below. See you next time.